You're going to think about your logic. And you're going to check, is it placed first? Then location is okay. Is it checking diagonal, vertical, and horizontal? If you are putting the row by row, you are going to check. You don't have to check actually the row by row. Then you are going to check the upper. If you are putting the column by column, actually you are going to check left side. Depends on your plan. This is a row by row. You're gonna put. This is a column by column. Then for diagonal, you can calculate. If I start from RC, diagonal left will be R minus 1, comma C minus 1. How about the right side diagonal? Will be R minus 1, comma C plus 1. For the column diagonal, you can also calculate that. In the isPlaced, we're going to plan. You can put row by row, column by column. If the location is okay, I can say add a queen here. That means current row, then current column. This is the for loop row. This one is just the starting position. Then you're going to, because that means this row is done. This row is done. Then you're going to check. But you're going to check by passing the column plan with the current row. So if when I call the recursive call with current row and column plus 1, I can change this one as this column is done. Then means I'm going to see the next column. So you're going to check the next column. Then it's going to check the next column. Then it's going to check the next column too. And finally, it's going to return. It's possible to solve. When I place that current queen here, then call the column plus 1, possible to solve. If it is true, if it's yes, you are going to just return true. In the else, you're going to say it's not true, that means remove the queen. So successive call does not work, that means current position R, column is not working. So remove the queen at R, column. In else case, what will happen is, after remove the queen, what will happen is it goes to the for loop. Because if statement is done, so get out, that means R will increase by 1. So check next row. And there is no else case. If location is not okay, what do we do? Same thing, check next row. So you don't really have to have else statement here. Then the for loop is done. That means check all the rows. When you check all the rows, if it works, that means return true. If it does not work, that means return false. So you have to think about, after for loop is done, what should I return? Return true or false? This one is going by column. But what I showed was going by row. If you want to go by row, like this one, your for loop will go by column. And instead of passing call plus 1, you are going to pass row plus 1. Then C. Then row, comma C. Row, comma C. So you can have either way, row by row, column by column. I want you to think about how to do this. Then also location is okay. You have to calculate all the directions, index number. You can do iterative. That means you can use a while loop or for loop. If you want to check the horizontal and vertical, while loop will be more useful. But if you want to use a diagonal, for loop will be more useful. Each time add 1 or each time subtract 1. It's your choice how to do that.